Ahoy hoy! Today's a special day. I have been wanting a FabFitFun box for so long. Now, I don't know how long I'm going to keep this subscription, but I was really hoping this would be a fun video to make. It's like my early Christmas gift to myself. So I'm going to unbox this, and then I'm also going to actively review every single item in this box. I've watched so many FabFitFun unboxings. Don't get me wrong, I love watching the unboxings and seeing what people picked and what other stuff you can get as like add-ons, that kind of thing. It's fun. But I have not seen anyone like use the stuff that came in their FabFitFun box. That was a huge thing with BoxyCharm and Ipsy unboxing. Everybody would always, I guess not always, there were some people who just did the unboxing, but it was fairly common to then try out everything that was in the box. And I understand that there is a wider variety of things in this box, so it may be more time consuming or a little harder to do, but I got time right now. And if you're just here for the unboxing, we're gonna do all of that right now. So let's do this. If you've watched any of my previous unboxings, you're well aware I don't particularly care about the price cards. I have had lots of issues in the past with subscription boxes, Ipsy and BoxyCharm included, where the price describing the value of the box was incorrect. This is a huge discrepancy that I have found with almost every single subscription box. So I got rid of the little magazine thingy. I didn't want to bother looking at it. I compared the list prices, or the list values, I guess, from the FabFitFun app to the actual listed market prices on these brands' websites. And to my surprise, all of the prices were accurate. I can't remember which item it was. There was one thing that was on sale on the website, but there was only one, and it wasn't a website that seemed like everything was on perma sale, like some of the stuff. Not naming names, yes, oh yes. Box, bag, whatever the hell you are. Everything describing the value of the box was accurate, so I'm very happy to say that. I will tell you the values from the FabFitFun app because I know they are correct. So the first thing I got in the box is actually the only thing I'm not going to be reviewing, and that is because I already know it's going to ruin my face. So this is the Glow Milk Illuminating Milk for Face and Body. This has coconut oil in it, which will horrendously break me out, and my skin's in pretty good shape right now, save for like a little bit of maskne that has been popping up, so I don't really want to make that worse. Also, this color is not my color, face or body. I am very, very pasty, so I'm going to give this to someone else who might actually use it and enjoy it. That person is not me, so I apologize. This is the only thing I am not going to review. The list price for that is $19.50. The next thing I got in my box I am super excited about, and that is the hip cutlery case. As you guys might know, I work in an office. Long shifts, weird hours of the day. I almost always need to eat at my desk. I hate buying disposable cutlery. We do have some in the office. I try to not use it, but bringing, you know, metal forks, spoons, knives, whatever, and this is a set of all three, so I don't have the inconvenience. And also there's, oh, it's a spork. I didn't even realize it was a spork. That's even better. So there's actually 4 options in here. Next up, this is a perfect repair treatment mask. I am assuming for hair. It smells lovely. Fork set was $14.99. I know what I'm doing. I have not unboxed in a very long time. And this hair mask goes for $16. And next up, Glossmedics hair removal device. Now I gotta say, I was a little sketched about this because all it said was hair removal device, which means nothing to me. I mean, I figured there's only 2 options. It was either one of those weird BS hair sanding devices, which I'm glad it is not, or an epilator, but it did say pain-free, which spoke razor to me, which it is. I was already in the market for an electric razor. I couldn't find many reviews on this. I guess this is a really new product, so I was kind of sketchy about picking it. It's a little cheap feeling, runs on one AA battery, We'll speak more on that in the review, but I think this was an exciting little thing. I'm glad I picked it. And next up, we have a piece of jewelry. This is the Jenny Bird necklace is what I chose. I did it again, didn't I? The Glossmetics thing was listed at $59.99. I think that is a little high for the size and visible quality of it, considering like the prices of like a Philips or, you know, like one of those other established brands. This necklace is very gorgeous, very me. It is silver, lovely quality. It goes with pretty much everything, which is why I like silver, because that's all I wear. This is the review, by the way. There is no like full-on review for this one. Doesn't necessarily go with what I'm wearing right now, but you get the idea. No. It's very, very hard to get off. And then there is the Vosh New York Pumpkin Spice Pedicure Kit. I didn't realize that this was a 2-pack, so I'm going to get 2 pedicures out of this. And I am due for 1, which is perfect, so we will do that review. Each item is in a little packet, and that is listed for $20. This is the Mason Tops Mason Jar Hydration Kit. It is a fancy ass water bottle, a very nice turquoisey aqua blue, and that is listed for $35. And the last thing I got in here is this, the Foxy Bay wand. It's beautiful though, and this was listed at, I believe, $99. Yes, so this was everything in my box. I will get a lot of use out of all of this stuff, and I'm really looking forward to it. If you were only here for the unboxing, then thanks for being here. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and we'll see you in the next one. And if you're ready for the reviews, then let's get to her. Let's do this. Okay, so I did already shave most of my legs, so you can see the difference here. To be perfectly honest, my hair is very, very see-through. So I had to let this grow quite a while to be able to even show you this, but this is the line. And we're done. Now, I would say this obviously does not do the job of a like razor. It kind of feels like a second day shave, like 2 days after you've shaved kind of thing, but it does the job. The one thing I will say is it seems like the battery's already almost dead. I did use the battery that came with it. It should be new. I'll have to use it a bit more to see how that works out. I have rechargeables, so it's not a big deal for me, but if you're someone who purchases your own batteries regularly, maybe this wouldn't be the best option for you. But it's not a bad little device. I did my underarms with it and my face, and it did a reasonably good job. Can't complain. It's warming up. Seems like it's going pretty quick. Realistically, not really going to use this that much right now while my hair is shorter. See what I can do here. Hold on. A smaller piece, damn it. That's really cute. I'll have to try this out again at some point when I straighten my hair, but it's still really humid, so that will be no time soon. But I feel like when my hair is a little longer, this would be like perfect for waves. Like, look at that. That is spot on. Good morning. So today I'm trying out the Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. My hair needs it. I feel like this is probably going to be, unless it does literally nothing, this is going to be a good review, because my hair is just like stuck in a permanent position and it needs help. I let my hair air dry, so it'll probably be a little while until I show you the after, but this is the before. Okay, it is now many hours later and my hair is completely dry finally.
Frizz is under control, my hair is flexible and curly again, and it did a better job than my regular conditioner, which is really, if it didn't do a better job than my conditioner, then what's the point of a hair mask? So it did that, that's great. But it didn't do anything more than any other half decent hair mask I've ever used. So nothing fancy, but it did the job. To be fair, I don't have very high expectations for hair masks. All I require is that they do more than my conditioner. Mission accomplished. Okay, let's finish this up. So the water bottle, not much to talk about there. It is aesthetically pleasing and it functions. I love that it's glass. The utensil set is absolutely 100% a staple in my work bag now. And again, they do their thing. They function as a fork, knife, and spoon. These are both things I will just use all the freaking time. The pedicure set. Oh my god. One, it's been so long since I've given myself a pedicure that I didn't realize I needed it that bad. It's like when you don't realize that something hurts and then someone massages it for you and you're like, holy crap, that really hurt. It was that. It was that. Very orange color of the salt soak was a little surprising but very pleasant. And the smell of the pumpkin spice was amazing. My bathroom still smells like it, and I did it about an hour and a half ago. The products themselves worked great. If you're unaware, I am an esthetician, so I use these products all the time. And I'm very familiar with them. Their quality, they're very good. The only thing I have to complain about is that the smell, the pumpkin spice smell of the massage butter was a little chemically, and it was unfortunate because that's the last step. So the chemically smell that was pretty overpowering of the pumpkin spice smell in the massage butter overpowered the pumpkin spice smell that was already on my feet and legs from the scrub and the mask. So I personally barely smell like pumpkin spice right now, which is kind of sad. I was hoping to smell like pumpkin spice for the rest of the day. Can't all be winners. The butter was incredibly hydrating, and my skin feels very, very good. So it feels good. I don't know what it was that caused that smell, but it was very strong. And that's it. That's all I got. So that is my full review on every product with the exception of the makeup product, which I am not using. Overall, I don't think I've ever been this happy with a subscription box. I mean, pretty much with the exception of like the pedicure set, which is like a 2-time use thing. Everything in this box I will use all the time, which makes it way more worth it to me than the makeup and skincare boxes I was getting before. Thanks so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up. If you liked it, let me know what your thoughts are on me doing these FabFitFun videos, because I'm still tossing it up in the air. Let me know by liking the video if you liked it. Use your words down in the comments, and subscribe if you feel so inclined, and we will see you in the next one.